Take a look at this Challenger, 2013 Dodge Challenger SRT8 Core, plum crazy pearl coat, dark slate gray interior with premium cloth bucket seats, the 6.4 liter V8 Hemi underneath the hood. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That 6.4 liter is paired up with the 6-speed manual transmission. Let you take a good look at the front chin spoiler, fascia, grille, headlights. Car has just a little over 22,000 miles on it. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a look at the interior. But first, if you want to check out the underside pics, you want to see the engine bay, take your time looking through the pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint shows well on this car, as you would expect with a newer car like this, and then only 22,000 miles. Those wheels are 20 inch. Those are the black Vapor Chrome wheels. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust coming out the rear. Some of the other options that were added to this that did not come with it standard besides those 20-inch wheels. It also has the auto dimming rear view mirror, Uconnect voiced command with Bluetooth, stereo system, and you can see a picture of the window sticker so you can see exactly how this car is equipped at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and then that's where all the other still pictures will be too, and you can also see a picture of the window sticker there, FYI. You can see driver's side pretty much free of nicks, dings, scratches. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to have with the power windows, power mirrors, power locks. And again, this is the dark slate gray interior with the premium cloth bucket seats, power seat in the driver's side here, as well as power lumbar. See down here, and not much wear at all. Again, what you'd expect for the miles and year of this car. Steering wheel controls, as you can see. Driver's information center, cruise control. There's your exact miles, 22,592. Car is also equipped with a Sirius XM radio. Stereo is working, as you can see. Climate control for AC and heat. And it appears stock from what I've seen. We'll take a look under the dash here in a second. Let's take a peek at that. Seeing the top of the dash, and no check engine lights, warning lights, anything like that on. Just the seat belt indicator, since I don't have that on yet. Fuel gauge working. That was a cold start, so you will not have any reading on the temperature gauge. All right. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Guess what you'd expect out of a stock 6.4 liter Hemi. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second. We'll get the engine bay open with the hood here and let you peek at that. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, the hood pop. And walking by, I did notice you might have a couple little tiny spots where I'm getting to show up. Like that right there, here, and just a little bit of touch up, but again, very small areas, just a little bit of matching touch-up paint has been put in. So it appears the previous owners of this vehicle have taken good care of it. It does show. Alright, there's the hood liner. See, this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Very clean hood liner. So 392 cubic inch Hemi, which would equate to that 6.4 liter. It's a nice looking, tidy engine bay. And again, your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC. So if you want a little bit of late model muscle, here you go.
Here we have a 2013 Dodge Challenger in plum crazy purple. We've got a pistol grip shifter on this 6-speed manual. Wonderful acceleration, very nice from this Challenger. All the modern amenities, as you can imagine. All our gauges are working excellent. We're running at about 190 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect. Factory stereo sounds great. Smooth, quiet ride on the road. Leather steering, cloth seats, bucket seats in this car. Black interior, and that lovely purple on the outside. A nice throwback, as is the body style, to the old Challengers. This being the SRT, we've got extra power under that hood, and you definitely can feel it. It's a very fun car to drive. Nice rumble coming from that exhaust. Aligned perfectly, stays straight in the road. Excellent power steering. All the comforts of a modern vehicle combined with the power of a muscle car. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.
2013 Dodge Challenger SRT8 Core. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.